The Promethean Spinner app is perfect for quickly and easily randomizing elements of your lesson directly from the active panel. To access the spinner, select Applications from the menu, then Spinner from the Applications locker. When the Spinner app opens, there are viewing modes, floating, and full screen. Tap the Expand Collapse arrows to toggle between full screen and floating. Tapping and holding the outer edge, then dragging allows the spinner to be relocated anywhere on your screen. When the spinner is in floating or full screen mode, you can access default lists or create new list. Tap the caret below the spinner and select the spinner title. Tap Create New at the top to generate a new customized list. Give your list a title and input items. Tap Add Item to input additional items, up to 60 in total. Remember to save your list. There is no limit to the number of unique lists that can exist in the Spinner app. To edit any existing list, simply tap the pencil icon to the right of the list title. Select an item to make changes. Customize the color of an item by selecting the small colored circle and choosing from the color palette. Delete lines by tapping the trash bin. Drag the equal sign up or down to rearrange items within the list. Or tap the trash bin at the top of the window to delete a list entirely. Tap the gear icon to access options including Select Item Once and Sound. Finally, to use the spinner, just drag any segment of the spinner in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. Tap the plus sign to add an additional spinner. Spinners can be used one at a time. You can use up to 4 spinners simultaneously. Tap the X to close a spinner.